going to be doing my eyebrow routine, more like a tutorial. I see a lot of people with eyebrows that be messed up, so I'm finna show y'all how I do my eyebrows. I get compliments and stuff on my eyebrows, so I just figured I'd do a video just so I could teach people how I do my own, I guess. But what I use is the L'Oreal Paris Brow Stylist Definer in the color Dark Brunette. I use LA Girl Pro Concealer, either one. I use one that's lighter than my skin color because that's just my preference, but you can use one that's close to your skin color. The one that's close to my skin color is almond, and the one that's lighter than me is in the color light ivory. But I use those. I use angle brush to clean it up, like when I put the concealer on to clean it up. I use this kind of flat, fluffy brush, I guess, to blend in the concealer, or some people use sponges, beauty blenders, or I forgot what the other sponge is called, the Real Technique sponge, but I don't have those, and I don't use those anyways. So, the first thing I would do, and I'm starting off on decent eyebrows. I wouldn't say they're the best right now, like I probably need them done, but this is how I'm starting. I did clean them up a little bit before I started this, so they semi alright. I take the end of the eyebrow pencil that has a spoolie on it. I brush my brow hairs up. I brush my hairs up, but some people brush their hairs the same way. Some people like the eyebrows to go like, some people like them like that, or some people just leave the front up and the rest. However, I brush the front up and then I do the rest diagonally, and I go over top just to make sure there's no like hair, long hair sticking up. I don't know, this is my preference, but I do that to both sides. Then I take the pencil part. I pull it out, not pull it out, but I twist it out a little bit. And my eyebrows are uneven. There's like, they start off straight and thick, and then they curve up and go skinny. So I try to make it as even as possible when I draw them on. So I start off under, like regular, you know, a little dark line, and then I just keep going straight, just so that it's even, and it's not straight and then curves. And then when I get to my arch, well, when my arch will begin, I just draw it regularly. Like, I go with my natural hairs. I don't go under and make it thicker or whatever. I just leave it how it is. And then I do the same for the top. The top is pretty even. Like, I like my brows to look natural, so I just draw them how, I'm basically just doing the outline of my brow. And then I fill it in. Just a little. I fill it all the way in. I do a couple of little strokes in the beginning, like in the front of my brow, just so that it's not like these few hairs are done and then the rest. So, after you get done blending how you want, I don't want my brows to be too dark either because my hair, my actual hair color is not, I'm a brunette, like my hair color is brown naturally, but I did dye my hair at one point, so if I do my eyebrows too dark, then they won't match my natural hair color, and I don't like my eyebrows to be too dark, so I just do them lightly, not too hard, because I don't want it to be, you know, too dark. So, I'm going to take the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color light ivory, and I just squeeze it out, put some on the back of my hand. Not too much. You can use a color that's, some people use a color that's lighter than their skin tone because it highlights the brow bone. Some people use a color that's close to their, they use a color that's close to their skin tone because some people just don't like that extra bright look. Or some people just use, some people just use a foundation, like mine is the MAC NC45 Studio Fix Plus. Some people use their foundation color to clean their brows up just so that when they do put their foundation on, it matches all together. They don't have that light line or the floating brow thing going on. So, it's all preference. It depends on what you like. If you like a color lighter, you know, your skin tone color, your foundation color, it's up to you. So, I just take this angled brush. It's a small angled brush that I got from a Sephora brush set. I take that, I dip it in the concealer, make sure that side's coated pretty good, and then I clean up, start on the bottom. So, I'm going to drag this out and just do a line where you feel it's needed, like just to clean up like your mess ups or where you drag the product out and you know it may not be where you want it to be, you know, stuff like that. Some people don't clean their top, not their top brow, but the top of their brow because they feel like it gives you a floating brow. I never understood that, but I clean my top. I clean the top of my brow because how there's when I drag the product up, it makes it darker above my brow. Even though some people don't like that, I still do it because at the end, when I do end up putting on my foundation, you're not gonna be able to see this color. Like I'm gonna end up covering that, so that's not popular to me. But it's like I said, preference. Some people don't like it. I'm just gonna clean the top of my brow, just like that. I'm gonna do the other one. I'm just dragging the product out so that when I do blend this in, it's not so tricky, I guess. So now that I'm done cleaning, I'm gonna take this flat top of fluffy brush thing, I don't know, and I just pat in the product or you know clean it up how you want. Excuse me. Just so that you don't have that, you know, extra bright line under this could be the reason why some people use a color close to their skin tone. I just don't. So I'm just dragging the product out, trying to get as much of it off as possible. And as you can see, I'm brushing it away from my brow because you don't really want to get this onto your brow and then you can't not get it off, but you have to go in and fix it again. So I'm just gonna take, you can take a rag or this will be the part that you finish all your makeup, but I'm not gonna finish my whole face in this video. So I'm just gonna take one of my little makeup rags that I just, you know, wipe my makeup off on, or if it's my brush or something, and just wipe off this concealer. Wipe off as much as possible. Some people like to go out with just their brows done and nothing else, so this would basically be one of those type of videos. I'm not gonna do my full face today. And I'm just wiping out this excess. And I will be done.